That's a huge one. Oh gosh. Stay down, stay down. No, it came off.
Boat. Alright, early on. Hopefully this is a good indication of what the day is going to bring.
Come on. Don't hook me.
Is that on his top of his head there?
I don't know.
Marked up. Alright, so
Good start.
one of the first couple casts. Teddy's already on one. We're back at this pond. Temp's about 75 degrees. We had a pretty heavy rain last night, but this water's usually always kind of murky, so didn't look like it changed it too much. So hopefully we're gonna get on the fish that this guy right here, this man, he lost yesterday, like in that back corner. So we're gonna try to work our way over there and see what we can get on. So we're heading over there to where he lost his fish yesterday. So we're gonna go get after him. Snagged him. What up, bro? Yes!
That's the better one. Yes, baby.
Right there.
Let's
We're on
go.
them now.
Yep,
you got your scale? I forgot about my fish. Alright, yeah, you're not as important anymore, little guy.
Let's go, baby. That's pushing 5. Hooked up, baby, let's go.
Hooked up on the rattle trap. Just a little fella.
Ooh, snagged him in the...
Oh!
Dude, you got him good.
Snagged that sucker. Poor guy.
Yeah, just don't get hooked.
There we go. Sorry, man.
Dude,
He gone.
that was big.
Oh.
Geez, that one bit hard.
Still on him. Through the... That's a face shot right there. He gone. Alright, so just got snagged right there. So now we're going to rock this purple Cinco with purple and black specks. We're going to work our way over through here. Got some good brush cover, so we'll see if we can get on them.
That's not bad. It's bigger than all the dinks we've been catching.
Get around the line here. There we go. Hooked up again.
Dude, that
The old
walking
Cinco.
board is killing it. The old wacky road.
Just a decent one. Probably weighs about a pound.
Yeah. Pound and a quarter.
He gone. Alright, so we just left the pond. It's 11 o'clock, so we got there by 8, so we were there for 3 hours. Caught a decent amount of fish. Got a little Teddy on a nice one.
Finally got on that big one that I lost yesterday. If that was the same fish, I don't
Yeah,
know.
that's a nice one. We fished a lot, but we haven't been on that big one, so today was nice. Got some bad weather coming, supposedly gonna rain a lot, so we'll just have to see about that. Hopefully it doesn't, but our LTV boxes should be in today, hopefully. So
Get an unboxing of that or a
you
challenge
guys
video coming or something.
stay tuned for that. We'll probably do an unboxing video. Let us know if you guys want us to do anything with it. We're trying to think of some challenges to do with it, so if you guys got any ideas, let us know. That's about all we got for today, so